But you know, it's great to see the numbers increasing. What are you doing up here? No, don't do that, you're showing me.
It can't be real because it's too much hair.
Oh, no. I'll tell you why I'm wearing this hat. Archie, the yodeler, he told me that I couldn't get a hat big enough for my big head. So I just wanted to let him know here, I got a hat to fit me. And I've got friends over in America too. Are you down there, Kenny? I tell you, we're in for trouble tonight. Between him and Kenny Paul and the rest of them, we're going to have a tremendous night. Now, who all doesn't listen into Radio fUSe? Put up your hand. Well, I mean to say, you can text us. There's a text number out there. Get it and text us in, and we'll play requests for you and everything else. Now, we have two young ladies here waiting in the back. And I better get their names right here. Emma Smith and Diane McCullough. Are you there? Where are you, dear? They're coming. Come on, let's give them a big hand. Come on. That's it. Where are you two ladies from? They're from Ballymena. Whoa! And they play along with a boy called Wally Drennan. That's the boy that pushes the push bike around the mountains. And that's all he goes for a down there. He doesn't do that at all, you know. But I've heard these two young ladies before, and they're very, very good. And I know we're in here for a treat. And then after them, we're going to call up Walbert here again to give us a wee go on the mouth organ. And then we're going to stop for 5 or 10 minutes, and we're going to get more heat blowing in here. Because when your bones get old like mine, you start to get cold. Isn't that right? And then when we come back, we're going to have some time. I'm going to have some time with Kenny Archer there tonight. But I'm fit for him. I hope he's left his old horse outside. Right, I'll give over to these two young dogs. How many are you playing? They're playing 5 pieces. Now, give them some encouragement here. Come on, that's it.